This is esulazo, nkabo esulazo, and eriami chaka oha soup. So if you're a fan of oha soup, put your comment on the comment section. Esulazo. Let's dive into the video right quick. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is African Lioness TV here. In this video we are going to learn how to make simple oha soup. Yes, this is African village food. This is COCOYAM. I'm going to peel it now, then blend it and use it to make oha soup. Okay, this is dry oha leaf. The way we buy it, already dried, and yeah. This is oha. This is what I'm going to use to make this soup. So then we put a little water. Okay, let's blend it. Let's blend our COCOYAM. Time to start cooking. Ingredients I'm going to use to prepare this delicious oha soup. Okay, yes, so the blended with this blended COCOYAM. So this one is stockfish, already prepared, washed, ready to use it to cook now. So this one is bonga fish. I've already deboned it. I've deboned the bonga fish. This is bonga fish. So this one is crayfish. I'm going to wash this crayfish and pound it in the mortar. Pound it on the mortar before use. Okay. Yes, so these are the little ingredients I'm going to use to prepare this oha soup. So I wish to carry you guys along as I'm going to prepare it. I am in the kitchen. So this is me. Look. So this is me, African Lioness TV. If you are seeing this face for the first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming to watch my video. Yes, smash the red button to subscribe. Smash the red button to subscribe to our channel, African Lioness TV here. Okay, thank you for always coming to watch my video. Today we are going to cook oha soup. Okay, yeah, we're going to make oha soup. So yeah, I've shown the ingredients that I'm going to use to make it, and this is African Lioness TV in the kitchen, in my kitchen, in the other room. African Lioness TV in the other room, in the kitchen. Yeah, so you guys join me so we make this oha soup. Okay. So even though it's dry oha, it's not fresh like the one you used to see in Africa, the original one, yes. So but anyhow, we are going to still manage what we got. Yeah, so stay tuned, keep watching. Okay, yeah, so let's move. Yeah, these are the ingredients for this special oha soup. These are the ingredients. Okporoko, that's stockfish, panla, this crayfish, bunga fish, deboned bunga fish, cocoyam, ede, cocoyam in the blender, then red oil, then iru, yeah, then ogiri. Let me get my ogiri. I have black pepper. So this is ogiri. This one is ogiri okpe and ogiri, ordinary ogiri, ogiri Igbo. So I'm gonna use hana. Yeah. These are what I got for this special oha soup. And then salt. Then our usual stock. Okay, now let's start with the water. Set the water and then you turn on the stove. So me, I like cooking my fish first. Yeah, put my fish. I put this stockfish already washed. Then next thing I will put is my oil. I don't like using oil though. Little oil. So I'm gonna allow this to boil very well because you know that stockfish is hard. So yeah, though I soak it for it to soft, but yeah, I have to allow it to boil so that the taste will come out. Yeah, let it continue boiling. So let's open the oha, the dry oha leaf. This is the oha. This is how it look like when you open it. Frozen oha. Wash it. Add water to wash it. Add water. This is the oha leaf. Yeah, the oha leaf. The oha leaf, dried one. Dry oha leaf. Okay, let's. Time to put the head. You know, head is the thickener. So now I have to put the ofo. So all the thickener are going to at the same time. I put my thickeners. Now I'm gonna allow it to boil. Delicious oha soup. Now I'm adding my bunga fish, because I like adding my fish on time so that the taste will bring out its taste. Now allow it to boil. Boil, boil, boil. I don't like cooking beef. I like cooking fish, and fish alone. I don't like cooking beef. And we have to give it time to boil, 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 before we add the rest ingredients. So now I have to add my crayfish. The crayfish. Ghana pepper. Dry pepper. And next thing is to add little salt. It is time to put the oha leaf, the dry oha leaf. This is the time for it to go to the pot. Soup is done. Look at that. Look at it. It's done. See? Our thoughts. If you've eaten oha soup before, put it on the comment section. Like and share the video, okay? This is dry leaf, oha leaf. Yeah. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.